Okay, we're here in room 301 of Cowley Hall, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how the AV system works. The first thing we notice is that the controller for the AV system is located in the back left-hand part of the desk up here, and in the upper left-hand part is the label that says projector. Right now the light indicates that the projector is off, so to power the system up, I'm going to go ahead and hit the on button one time, and that's going to power the projector on. Now it takes about a minute for the projector to warm up, so I'm going to wait for that to warm up. And while that's happening, I'll tell you about the computer. In order to log on to the computer, you hit Control-Alt-Delete, then use your 8.4 username and your password, and then make sure that you're logged on to the Eagle domain for when you will log on to the computer. Now after a little while, you'll notice that the source selected here on the right-hand side is the PC. So if we look over at the screen, the PC has come up and is showing for our students. If I wanted to switch that to something else, I would simply hit the button on the controller that indicates what I want to show. Right now I'll hit the Macintosh button because I'm going to talk about the Macintosh next. You'll see that the Mac comes up on the screen, and this room has a Macintosh computer, an iMac, sitting right up here on the desk. And the username and password for this iMac are actually right here on the front of the screen. So if you are prompted for a username and password, go ahead and type in what's shown there. On the right-hand side of the desk here is the document camera. And I power the document camera on, making sure the light turns green on the back portion of the document camera. It takes just a second for that to warm up. And then if I want to show the document camera, I'm going to hit the document camera button right on my controller. And then the document camera will come on, and my advanced features, my zoom and my autofocus or manual focus, are up here on the upper right-hand side. Something else that we can do in this room is hook up our laptop. In the middle of the desk is a little trap door, and inside that trap door are all the connections you need in order to make your laptop work. Including inside the trap door, if you kind of look up on the top, is a power supply in there. So you don't have to worry about running your laptop on battery or running your cord down across the floor where you're going to trip on it. You can do it right here on the desk. And there's a video cable and an audio cable located inside this trap door. I'm going to go ahead and hook my laptop up to the video cable. And while I'm hooking up the audio cable, I'm going to let you know that the audio cable can be used for anything that has a headphone jack, an iPod, an MP3 player, whatever you'd like. Make sure laptop is selected on the controller if you're going to use that, because it also switches the audio along with the video. So now that I've plugged my laptop in, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to laptop on the controller. And now my laptop isn't showing up on the screen because I haven't told my laptop that I've connected an external projector. So I'm going to hit the function key on a Windows keyboard and the F8 button. And that's either going to scroll through the options automatically, or on my computer it brings up a nice little menu. Right now it's computer only, which is why we're not seeing it on the screen. We're only seeing it on my monitor. I'm going to go over to duplicate. I'm going to hit enter, and it's going to take just a second for the projector to auto set up, and then my laptop's going to show up right up there on the screen. There's a DVD player, a DVD and a VCR located in the middle of the screen here. And in order to do that, I'm going to go back up to my controller once again, and I'm going to hit the DVD button. And the DVD will begin playing. And the volume seems a little low, so I'm going to use this volume knob to turn it up to a level to where all the students can see it, or hear it rather. And turn it to the left, and your little LEDs are going to go up and down to indicate where your volume is at. And that volume knob is used for every source that you have, whether it's the PC, a DVD, or something else that you plug in. We're going to use that volume knob to control it. The final thing I'm going to show you is that I'm going to go back to the controller where it says projector, and I'm going to click the off button when I'm all done so that we save the projector bulb. And I'm also going to let you know that anytime you have any questions or you need help with anything, the Academic Technology Services is happy to help you. Give us a call and let us know what we can do to help. Thank you.